front of me is Google Pixel 9a, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by launching two apps you wish to use in this view in the background, and then opening background apps. Now decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it. Select split screen and tap on the second one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and hit home button, or access background apps again and swipe both. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!